ka State Food Testing Laboratory Mekhalia rengkat ke jingas no tilang bad ka Commissionerate of Food Safety jong katanat ka kot ka khia menta kasngi kala pynlong ya ka Technical Session kam Food Awareness Safety Program bashisngi ha Conference Hall jong ka State Food Testing Laboratory Pasture Hill Shillong u Dr. Joram Beda Commissioner Katanat Food Safety ula longkum ukongsan ha kani ka program aba jinghikai ha kani ka program u Dr. Beda ula ong baladan kam ban kershan halor ka jingshngain jong ka bam kadi kum ka benta ka bang kongsan jong ka kot ka khia ki pat ba ula jingaro ru ya ka enforcement wing jong ka Commissionerate of Food Safety ki bayale kat bala ban penshai halor ka jingdon kam jong ka jingshngain ka bam kadi ula jingmut ru ya ka jingdon kam ban penyor na kapor kapor halor ka jinglong jingman jong ka bam kadi ha kaleng ka prathai bat ka jingpang ha ga jilla kumju.
We need to advocate food safety as an important component of public health. Also, we need to exchange best practices, and that's why we are organizing such events. We also need to regularly monitor the global burden of the foodborne and zoonotic diseases in the state as well. And finally, we should make food safety, as I said again, a major public health priority.